Let's take a look at the difference between dot notation and bracket notation in JavaScript. So here I have an object, my car, with the brand, model, and year. If I were to access the brand using the dot notation, I can do something like my car dot brand, and I get the brand name. The bracket notation, you can use my car, and then in the brackets, you specify the string brand, and that's how you access the brand name. So what is the difference? Now, if I were to say my car dot and put a string in front, I'll get an unexpected syntax error because I'm appending a string to the dot notation, which is incorrect in JavaScript. But if I were to create a variable called my brand and assign the string brand to that variable, and now if I do my car, and then instead of a string like we did here before, we pass in my brand. As you can see, this works because the bracket notations can take in expressions, and it evaluates this as the string, and we get the value Toyota. So this will not work in the dot notation. So my car dot my brand, as you can see, it's undefined because my brand does not exist here. I can also do something like this. If I were to have a variable called mod, and then I specify in the bracket notation my model plus in brackets I specify EL, this will still evaluate to Corolla. But if I try to do the same for dot notation, well, that will not work. Undefined. Plus it made that to a string, and it typecasted it to a string, and we get back undefined EL. So yeah, that's one of the major differences between dot notation and bracket notation. Bracket notations can take in expressions while dot notations cannot. Well, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.